So hello everyone. So our today's topic is Java and JavaScript. So what is the difference between Java and JavaScript? So many users think that Java and JavaScript are similar language, or they think that two different names for a single language. But the users have a clear doubt that JavaScript and Java language are not similar language. So so the JavaScript had nothing to do with Java programming. The main reason for introducing the script language as is the JavaScript as a popularity of Java programming. So that's why at the peak time, to get the advantages of popularity, the term Java is used in the Java programming language. So to understand the difference between Java and JavaScript, so let's take some key difference between Java and JavaScript. So first of all, Java. So JavaScript and Java, it is a programming language, while JavaScript, it is a scripting language. Then Java, it is a pure object-oriented programming language, while the JavaScript, it is a object-based language. So Java, it is a standalone language, while JavaScript, it is not a standalone language. It needs to be integrated, or it needs to be integrated with an HTML. Then Java is strongly typed language. So which means that the users have to decide the or data type of a variable before declaring and using it. For example, int, it is used to store the value of an variable into it. Then JavaScript. So JavaScript, it is a loosened type of a language, which means that users do not have to worry about that the data type of an variable before the declaration. So for example, var, it is used as a variable storing that with any data type. Then Java program. So Java program should be compiled before the execution of a code. Then the JavaScript needs to be integrated into the HTML program for the execution, while the web browsers is not required to run the Java program, while the web browser in JavaScript is essential to run the JavaScript program. Then in Java, it is one of the complex language to be learned, while JavaScript, it is the easiest language to be learned. Then Java needs a large amount of memory to be stored the variables and methods in it, while the script does not require the large amount of memory. Then Java stores on an host machine as the bytecode, while JavaScript has a host machine like client machine as a source text. So these were the difference between Java and JavaScript. Thank you.